In today's video, we are going to create an amazing poster design for a perfume brand. Grab your mouse as we dive in. First things first, we are going to create a new document. Choose a solid color. We are going to create another solid color. With the mark selected, grab a soft round brush. Hardness is set to 0. Opacity is set to 100. Foreground is set to black. Create a new layer. With a soft round brush, foreground is set to white. Opacity is set to 100. And we are just going to click once. Set blend mode to overlay. Create a new layer. With a soft round brush, we are just going to swap, so foreground is set to this hex code. Then we click once. Blend mode is set to linear dodge add and we reduce the opacity. Now let's grab our asset for this tutorial. Holding down the shift key, we are going to select these 3 layers and copy all of them together. Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste. With this layer selected, Ctrl A, and we are just going to click right here to center it. Ctrl D to deselect. Let's grab our ruler so we put that in line. We do same for this. With this layer selected, Ctrl A, and we are just going to center that. Ctrl D to deselect, and we drop it right here. With this layer selected, we right click and go for blending options. So we are going to apply layer star. We choose color overlay. So we are going to use this hex code, then we hit OK. With this layer selected, we right click and go for blending options. So we are going to apply color overlay. So we are going to copy this hex code and hit OK. So we are just going to convert these 2 layers into a smart object. We take this layer all the way to the top, position it right here. Now we are going to be painting some shadows with this layer selected. We are going to grab our rulers. We just have to put them in line. So we zoom in and we are just going to position them properly. With this layer selected, we are going to create an exposure adjustment layer clipped onto the layer. So the effect applies only to the layer. With the mark selected, Ctrl I to invert. We grab the polygonal lasso tool, then we are going to create a selection. We are going to create a selection this way. Once you have a selection, we are going to select a soft round brush. Hardness is set to 0. We reduce the opacity. Then we are just going to paint some shadows. We swap to black, reduce the opacity. Then we are just going to mask out that portion. Ctrl D to deselect. With the polygonal lasso tool, we are going to create another selection right here. We are basically creating a selection so we stay in that, we don't go out of the selection. Ctrl D to deselect. We are going to create another exposure adjustment layer. With the mask selected, Ctrl I to invert. With a soft brush, we are going to right click, change the roundness and the angle. Reduce opacity for when it's set to white, and we are just going to paint some back. Now that's too much, so we are going to reduce the opacity. With the layer selected, we are going to paint more shadows, so we just have to speed it so we don't spend much time doing this. It's basically the same thing. You create an exposure adjustment layer, you invert the mask. With a soft brush, you set foreground to white and you're going to paint some shadows or highlights. Now let's grab this texture, Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste. We position it right here, convert that to a smart object. Then we are just going to drop the layer, right click and create a clipping mask. We have it right here. And we are going to set the blend mode to soft light. Opacity is set to 20. We are going to create a curves adjustment layer, clip it onto the layer. Then we're just going to move this just a bit. Reduce the opacity. Now we are going to hide the guys for now. We are going to create a new layer with a soft brush. Opacity is set to 100. Foreground is set to white. Hardness is set to 0. Then we are just going to click once. Ctrl T to transform. You are going to hold Shift before you transform it so you have it. So we position it somewhere here. With the layer selected, Ctrl J to make a copy. We are going to position the copy at the other end. With this layer selected, we are going to be painting some shadows. So we are going to create an exposure adjustment layer. With a soft brush, we are going to change the angle and we are going to be painting some shadows. With this layer selected, we are going to press Ctrl J to make a copy. Set blend mode to normal, opacity to 100. Ctrl T. Ctrl T, and we are going to transform this. You hold Shift before you transform. Right click and we are going to select perspective. Move it this way. Distort, and we distort that a bit. We are going to position it somewhere right here. set blend mode to soft light and reduce the opacity. Now we can bring this back. With these two layers, clipping it doesn't take it away. So we just have to create a mask and mask those portions that we don't want to be seeing. So with the layer selected, you create a mask. You grab the brush tool, you set opacity to 100. So hardness is set to 100, opacity is set to 100, foreground is set to black, and you're just going to mask out this portion. With this layer selected, we are just going to paint some shadows. With the mask selected, Ctrl I to invert. With a soften brush, foreground is set to white and we are just going to paint some shadows. Reduce the opacity. With the layer selected, we are just going to work on this. We are going to rotate this a bit. So we have to apply the exposure again. So we delete this one and repeat the same process. So we are going to create a new layer with a soften brush. Right click and we are going to change the roundness. Opacity is set to 100, foreground is set to black. We zoom in and we are just going to create some contour shadow. Once we have that in place, we are going to set the blend mode to overlay. Ctrl J to make a copy. And we are going to set the blend mode of the copy to normal. Reduce the opacity for both. With this layer selected, we are going to create a new layer, paint more shadows. We are going to create an exposure adjustment layer. Clipped onto the layer. With the mask selected, Ctrl I to invert. And grab the brush tool. Opacity is set to 100, hardness is set to 100, foreground is set to white, and we are just going to paint. We need to drop this layer right here. Then we are just going to paint this way. So we set foreground to black and we are just going to erase this way. We're going to create a curves adjustment layer. Once we have everything in place, then we are going to press Ctrl Alt Shift E to merge all layers. Right click and convert to a smart object. Then we go for camera raw. So filter, camera raw filter. All we are going to do is we are going to play with the settings until we like the outcome. Once that is looking good, then we hit OK. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I do hope to see you in the next one. Till next time, stay creative.